Hey, Azumi, there you are. Um, so I woke up in the middle of a little bit midnight, and I I don't know how it happened that I don't know how that I became like a cat or kitten, whatever. I do kind of look like a kitten, but do you think it's a little bit weird that I look like this? Really? Cute? I, you I know that I'm cute, but you're also cute. So, can you please stroke my hair? Thank you. Your hand is so warm and so soft. I'm sorry. I don't think I've never purr before. Let's just hope that the rest of the guys came here and see us like this. Because you're always mine, You're always the love of my life. When I first met you, my heart fluttered. And you know that I'll always love you, and I'll do anything for you. Yeah, I know you're kind of like the director of the Mankai company, and I know I go to school, but it doesn't really matter. You're still the beautifulest girl that I ever seen in my life. Yeah, you're kinda right. I do have to go to school, right? Great. Now I have to go with Barney and also Sakia too. I know that the both of us go to the same school, but I wish I stayed here with you, and not to go with them, because I do kind of look like this. The teacher might think that I might be playing around or something. But can I please stay with you? Okay, fine. Wait, tomorrow is Saturday, so that means I do have the weekend. Now I remember. You know, let's just hope that any girls who try to get in front of me or take me away from you, I'll scratch them very hard if they took me away from you. I'm sorry. I know I'm not usually like this though, but I just don't want anybody to get near you. Like, try to touch you, hug you. Remember last time that I got jealous by your friend and I ignore you? I usually feel bad of doing that. You're heartbroken though. I really miss you. I know we just see each other like every time and every minute ago, but you know, I always still love you, and I always love your curry too. The way that you cook it, it's always good. I know that the other guys are sometimes sick and tired of having the same dinner all over again, but I do kind of know how to cook. Is it okay if you can help me to cook? That I can make something special? Really? Thanks. You can do that. Sorry, I'm so tired. You know, I should probably go to sleep now. It's a little bit late, but let's hope we get circles in our eyes. That'll be very bad. Don't you have something to do on Friday? I mean, today's Friday? Ah, some kind of look, going to your friends to look at their dancing? I guess that won't be that bad. But please don't let anybody take you away from you. Thank you. I love you.